Today, we're going to talk about Zurich. Zurich is located at the southernmost point of Lake Zurich, at the base of the Bernese Oberland. This largest city in Switzerland is something out of a fairy tale, with its ancient churches and cobblestone streets. But if you take a closer look, you'll discover a dynamic, contemporary city with creatively vibrant districts. Zurich is a fun city with a wide range of activities, excursions, hikes, sites, museums, tours, restaurants, serving everything from gourmet cuisine to street food. And of course, shopping at Bahnhofstrasse, Viadukt, or in the Old Town. Zurich is such a fun city. It also offers enjoyable indoor and outdoor activities throughout the year, including the transitional months between seasons. So, if you're wondering where to go in Zurich, what to do with kids, or which cafe or restaurant to go to, stick till the end of the video while we enlighten you about the top 5 things that you can do here. Starting with number 5. Lake Zurich. The lake was primarily used for transportation and traffic, but is now a well-liked destination for outings, and properties near its shores are in high demand. A boat trip is the best way to see Lake Zurich and the surrounding area because it offers gently rocking waves, peace, relaxation, and fine food. A regular boat service runs all year long and serves the majority of the locations near the shore. The 2-storied paddled streamers are without a doubt the public's favorites. There are numerous special excursions available, ranging from the Jippeli Schiff, early mornings, to the Sonnenuntergangs Schiff, sunset sailings. The Lake Zurich Shipping Company's schedule includes holiday-specific tours and musical excursions. Rapperswil, known as the Rose Town, is located at the lake's eastern end. More than 15,000 rose bushes, representing more than 600 different varieties, are blooming in the local public gardens. Numerous swimming areas, the Alpamar in Pfäffiken, the largest covered water park in Europe, the sunny islands of Bufano and Lutzello near Rapperswil, the wooden footbridge that crosses Lake Zurich between Rapperswil and Herden, the Baroque church in Lachen, the renowned Lindt and Sprigili chocolate factory in Klitschberg, and of course, the vibrant city of Zurich are all popular tourist destinations in the area surrounding Lake Zurich. A treat indeed. Number 4. Shop your heart out at Bahnhofstrasse. The Bahnhofstrasse is among the most well-known shopping streets in the world, running for 1.4 kilometers from the main train station to the lake. Department stores, boutiques, jewelry stores are glued along it like pearls on a necklace. The closer you walk to the lake, the more upscale the shops become. The Para del Platz, located near Lake Zurich and at the center of Bahnhofstrasse, is a significant tram junction. The Para del Platz is known as Switzerland's largest money-handling hub since the major Swiss banks established their headquarters here. Along the way, alleys like Auguststrasse and Rennweg branch off into the charming Old Town. Instead of Bahnhofstrasse, visit the Niederdorf and Langstrasse neighborhoods if you're looking for some budget-friendly shopping options. Even though it is free to enter the Bahnhofstrasse, the shopping district is best used for window shopping, unless you plan to spend a lot of money there. Number 3. Climb the Jolteberg. Jolteberg rises 2,850 feet above sea level, towering over Zurich's rooftops. The mountains serve well with a stunning panoramic view of the city, the lake, and the Alps. November is a popular month to visit the Jolteberg because its summit is frequently above the layer of fog that can sometimes envelop the city at this time of year. The summit's hiking trails are transformed into sledding slopes during the winter. There is a lot to discover in the summer on the Planet Trail, a mountain bike route, and well-marked hiking trails. Visitors gush about Jolteberg's mountains' breathtaking views and excellent hiking paths. despite the hour-long drive to and from this nearby attraction. The mountain's Path of the Planets, which is intended to replicate the sizes and separations between the planets in the solar system, can turn out to be an educational twist on your typical hike. It takes 2 hours to hike between the mountains of Jolteberg and Felsenegg. Jolteberg takes care of the tourists very well with a panoramic deck, observation tower, hotel, and restaurants at the summit. Jolteberg is still worth a visit, even if none of these amenities appeal to you, because of the incredible vistas. While on top, at your left you will find Limmat Valley. To your right, you'd see the massive alpine peaks rising in the distance. And at your feet would be the rooftops of Zurich, which have engulfed the entire lake shore and appear to be strangling Lake Zurich. Although you can always walk back to the trailhead, there is also the option to take the Jodelberg Railway for a 12-minute ride to the Tremili station. Definitely would be a fun ride after a fun hike. Number 2. Lindenhof. A perfect location to observe the mundanity of life. It is where the Kaiserplatz, a settlement that dates back to the Roman and Carolingian eras, once stood. Roman, medieval, and prehistoric ruins can be found on this hilltop. There were Neolithic and Bronze Age lakeside settlements at the level shore of Lake Zurich. Due to its substantial water surround, Lindenhof was a prime location for early fortified settlements. In excavations, artifacts from the Middle Bronze Age, and the remains of a Celtic oppidum from the Latene culture's 1st century BC were discovered. Numerous historical occurrences took place at Lindenhof as well. A Roman fort was present on Lindenhof in the 4th century, and the grandson of Charlemagne constructed a royal palace there as a residence in the 9th century. After the formal royal residence was demolished, the hill, the only public park inside the city walls, turned into a meeting spot for people to gather, chit-chat, and loosen up. The Grossmünster Church, City Hall, and Limmat River, the university, and the Swiss Federal Institute of Technology are all magnificently visible from Lindenhof. Right up until the start of the modern era, Zurich residents continued to gather in this area. For instance, the Helvetic Constitution's sealing oath was administered on the Lindenhof in 1798. Today, Lindenhof is a haven of calm in the middle of the city and a gathering place for ardent chess players. You can sit here and observe what is happening on the river and the Limmontic Quay below. You have a fantastic view of the Grossmünster Cathedral, the Nierdorf Quarter, the other half of the Old Town, and the Rathaus City Hall and its pedestrian stone bridge. This is what you might refer to as people watching from above. And it's all free. Number 1. Rhine Falls. At the Rhine Falls near Schaffhausen, one can stand high above Europe's biggest waterfall and feel the rush and noise of the water throughout their entire body. The renowned Rhine Falls is estimated to be 15,000 years old. The tectonic shifts that occurred during the Ice Age were what led to the creation of this miracle. The Rhine served as a traditional border between various nations, which served as an inspiration for numerous magnificent man-made structures, like castles and other fascinating structures. However, these architectural feats are typically overshadowed by the river's inherent beauty. Due to the high water levels, May and June are the best months to visit the falls. A boat trip is required to get the mighty rock that is proudly nestled in the center of the falls. Travelers with a bit of courage can climb it for even more breathtaking images. Choose between experiencing the Rhine Falls with almost all of your senses and a boat ride downstream through one of the Rhine's most breathtaking landscapes. At Europe's largest waterfall, where the water lurches about 23 meters into the depths, loud thundering and roaring is guaranteed. You have the exceptional chance to climb the Mittelfelsen amidst this natural display. Although getting there is not exactly simple, it is well worth the effort because the Giant is truly something special. To commemorate the Swiss national holiday in style, the breathtaking fireworks show at the Rhine Falls will enhance and immortalize your experience. This well-known location offers a wide range of dining options, a wide range of recreational opportunities, and the best shops for treasured souvenirs. Did you add Zurich to your bucket list yet? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, where to next?